In this video, I'll talk about how you can enable options on Webull. Now you can do this from the phone app or you can do it from the website as well. And what you need to do is simply open up any of those. If you're on the phone, you want to click on Webull logo, go to more, go to options trading, and from in there you can simply enable it. Now once you enable it, you need to answer a little questionnaire first. And once you've done that, you'll be good to go. On the desktop, you want to click on your profile icon, account management, options trading, and click enable. And once you've completed the questionnaire, you'll be good to go. After that, you can see your options trading level, which is based off your experience. And if you're under level 3, you don't have access to everything. Now, after that, you'll start being able to trade. So you can just go anywhere, select the stock, and click on options, and then you can do it that way. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.